Like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15-minute first impression. And they shoved it.
So ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretation, and in some syntactical context, vagueness. Hold on. Duality means rigid distinctions between mind and matter. Mind and body, my apologies. Did I say mind and matter? Mind and body. Monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are... Hold on. Listen. So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding lines...
Language, man. It's a vibration, it's an energy, it's a... How do I put this into perspective? Something like existence, experience, time, matter, space, energy, parapsychological phenomenon is just a fundamental aspect of their conversation or their dialogue. It's like the
serendipity is synonymous. Is when things don't work out as we anticipated.